Hello and welcome guys. Today we are going to learn about the this pointer. In C++ programming, this is a keyword that refers to the current instance of the class. So there can be three main usage of this keyword in C++. The first one is it can be used to pass the current object as a parameter to another method. Second one, it can be used to refer the current class instance variable. And third and last one is it can be used to declare the indexes. So let's see the example of this pointer with the example. We have to create the class employee public. In public int I, then string s, then float salary, that is no, int id string name and float salary. Okay, so these are the data members, and inside that, now what it is, do you remember from the previous session? This is parameterized constructor. So in this parameterized constructor, we can define this keyword. This name is equal to name. Similarly, this salary is equal to salary. One thing we forgot to define ID, so we'll define it later. No, not ID is equal to ID. Then we will display the void display cout ID, then name, then salary, and L. So class employee, then int main, in which we can define or create an object. empe1 is equal to 101 is the ID, name is prem j, and salary is 90,000. Similarly, empe2 is equal to emp102, then we will display. After running the code, we can see the output as ID, name, and salary in the tabular form. So this is our output using this pointer. Got it? That's it for today, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.